Hi, my name is Alex Budilko. I'm the CEO of AJProTech. We're here in beautiful Los Angeles, California during LA Tech Week discussing how to design and build new innovative hardware products. AJProTech is a product development partner for startups and global companies developing new hardware. We come pretty early in the process. We help companies specialize, create the specs for their product, create prototypes, electrical, mechanical, software, validation of prototypes, do design for manufacturing, and then eventually work with contract manufacturer anywhere in the world to manufacture the product. My background is primarily in electrical engineering. I've been doing this for 10 plus years, developing mass-produced electronics. So happy to share things we learned over the years, how to create hardtech, how to invest in hardtech, and how to make it fun and manufacturable. Even if you're hiring someone on your own team, let's say like you hire an engineer, their salary difference for someone who just know how to do it and how to do it at scale for manufacturing is going to be at least 2x different. They're very rare, so that's why a lot of companies choose to work with manufacturers or with companies like us for development. It's extremely hard to find someone who develop product for scale. Everyone has done it for low volume production, tens, hundreds, sometimes thousands, but when you are talking about I want to manufacture it at the tens of thousands or millions of those, it's a completely different ball game. So that's why it's essential to keep that in mind as you do your R&D, both in-house or externally.